Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So I used to have really long hair, but I cut it short because blonde. I did like blonde balayage about 2 years ago, I want to say, and I was really good about Olaplex and like I had really healthy hair, so like I would go through the whole cycle. And the thing is, like after about a year, my hair still like the bottoms were pretty dead, so I went to my hairstylist. I got my hair retoned. I did the blonde again and I got the dead ends cut off. But because the Olaplex process kind of takes some time and it's a little expensive, and I didn't really feel like it made much of a difference for me. So I didn't feel like it made a difference. And so after the second time I went blonde, I noticed that my hair the quality deteriorated a lot faster, and I stopped using I didn't use Olaplex after the second time. And so I went back to my hairstylist, I chopped off the dead ends, and I decided that I'm going to really stick to the Olaplex regimen. So I rebought everything that I'm sure you can see on our channel. And so something that I'm starting now is the Olaplex number 4P. So this is the Blonde Enhancer Toning Shampoo. And this one repairs, hydrates, brightens all blonde, lightened, and gray hair. And so again, like I said, I'm really interested in the Olaplex brand. I do think that it works. And so just a little bit about this. It's infused with the patented Olaplex bond building technology, and it's a customizable toning shampoo that strengthens, softens, and neutralizes unwanted yellow tones for brighter, more manageable hair. And these are all things I definitely see from the Olaplex brand, because usually my hair is very coarse and it gets frizzy easily after I wash it. But as you can see, this is like a toned down frizz, and I definitely do think it's because I use this shampoo. And it also creates, like, again, a more manageable hair. So like my hair is softer, it's easier to comb through, it's easier to do like different hairstyles with. And so the way that you use it is obviously start with the other Olaplex processes first. And then you apply it to wet hair, you lather fully, and you let it sit for about 1 to 3 minutes. If you want a more intense toning, leave it on your hair for up to 5 minutes. I always do the 5 minutes. And then you rinse it out and you follow it up with, there is an Olaplex conditioner, but I have not gotten it yet. And then you can also follow up with the number 5 Bond Maintenance conditioner, or the number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask, which is the one that I use. And then you can also pre-wash with the regular Bond shampoo. So this is the Olaplex number 4P. There is an Olaplex number 4, which isn't for dyed hair or toned hair. And so you can use that one to like do an initial wash. So like, to remove any of the dirt from your hair, and then follow up with this shampoo. So this is a highly concentrated purple shampoo that cleanses, tones, and repairs while keeping your hair hydrated from roots to ends. And so it's a sulfate-free formula that creates a rich lather to neutralize brassiness and boost brightness after just one wash. And so I do also really appreciate that it's sulfate-free, which is one of the things that led me to buy this shampoo. Now, how often do you use this? So I actually don't wash my hair that often. I wash it about twice a week, just because it is a process, because my hair is really thick. It's blonde. It takes a while to dry. It takes a while to style. And also I've read in a lot of places that it's not particularly healthy to wash your hair every day. So I do use this shampoo every time I wash my hair. But again, it's just about 2 to 3 times a week. And I do follow up with the rest of the Olaplex line. And yeah, so again, if you do have like blonde hair or like dyed hair, I would genuinely recommend that you use this shampoo, just because I've seen the difference that the whole Olaplex line has made for my hair life. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please press like below and subscribe to our channel.